Says that every day up on the thing, says, hey, these numbers were ridiculously low. Okay, I want to bring in now Liz, your former prosecutor. She's head of Your Children, one of the great defenders of children that have been abused, and just a fantastic individual and tough as boot leather. You've got some breaking news coming out of the Vatican about the Pope Francis kowtowing to the Chinese Communist Party. Do you not, Liz?
I do, Steve. This is the unholy alliance between the CCP and President Xi and the Vatican. This has been going on for a long time, and the Vatican has provided, frankly, moral cover for Xi. Pope Francis said that China had done a superior, outstanding job in handling the virus. And the news that is breaking, although the Vatican has not commented on it, but I suspect that it's precisely what's going to be happening, is that the Pope, as soon as the hot spots in China cool off, is going to be going to China to meet with President Xi. And his first stop is going to be none other than Wuhan. And so as the heat from the rest of the world comes on, we have the Pope, the Vicar of Christ, providing this moral cover for the brutal, repressive, atheistic CCP. And this has been going on for the last 7 years of this papacy. He provided a cover in backdoor diplomacy for Cuba in Obama's Cuba deal, which was secret. As many of your viewers know, Steve, there was a secret deal between the Vatican and the CCP and President Xi. And we still don't know the terms of it. It was in September of 2018. And as a result, there is a demolition derby going on in China. Even while they're investigating and trying to fix the COVID crisis, they're destroying churches. They are banning all children under the age of 18 from going into churches, having religious services. And in fact, high school students, if they want to go out onto college, have to take an atheistic exam to prove that they are true atheists. Now, imagine this. We have potentially 200 to 240 million children who are going to be denied religion. What is that going to say about the future of China? And frankly, what we're seeing is that this is a persecution of children and religions worse than in the time of Mao. And, people have to wake up. Catholics have to really speak up to this Vatican. And the one who has been behind the Pope in doing this and laying the groundwork has been none other than the notorious serial predator, Ted McCarrick, who is also the Vatican's bagman. He was the diplomat in Cuba. He was the diplomat who laid the groundwork in China. And so this is really an unholy alliance.
Liz, we got to bounce, but we're going to have you back on tomorrow to finish this up. It's too important a story. And you've been on this from day one. See you tomorrow, 10 a.m. Liz Yore, War Room Pandemic.